Do you dream of going to the beach or pool on a whim without worrying if you remembered to shave that day? Have you hesitated to look into laser hair removal because you heard it was painful? Now your dreams can come true through a revolutionary new procedure called Pain-Free Hair Free. It's the comfortable new way to do laser hair removal. We recently asked 2 patients to tell you about their experience with Pain-Free Hair Free.
I spend a lot of time every day in the shower removing hair. My ethnicity makes me a little hairier than other people. I'm self-conscious about it. I did do electrolysis a couple years ago. It didn't work. It was really painful, and I ended up shaving that area anyways, so it was a waste of my time and money.
I'm interested in laser hair removal for the convenience of not having to shave my underarms, which is the area that I'm interested in having the hair removed from. My best friend has spoken so highly about this procedure. She's had it done before and the results were great. I've tried different hair removal processes in the past. Waxing, which is a little bit too painful for my taste. Shaving, it comes right back, and depilatories, none of it really worked to my satisfaction, so I'm really looking forward to doing something that's more permanent.
I had soprano XL treatment on my lower legs, and I hadn't really known what to expect. I never had the laser hair removal of any kind done on my legs or anywhere, and what I had experienced, I didn't have any downtime whatsoever with that. My legs didn't feel hot or burnt or tender. The skin was fine. So I was able to go about with my normal activities the same day. Within, I would say, about 2 weeks, I noticed I didn't have to shave. There wasn't anything happening.
Well, since my first treatment, I have definitely noticed a reduction in the hair that's come in. I used to have to shave very frequently, and now when I shave, I notice there's less hair, and not only that, it's a little bit less coarse than it was too, so that's great. Especially my underarms, I can tell a big difference under there. The only side effects that I really had from the treatment, I had just a little bit of redness under one underarm. It went away within a couple of hours, so I was really happy with the results from the first treatment. I'm really looking forward to progressing with the treatments. My ultimate goal is to not have to shave very often at all. If I only had to do it every several weeks or every couple of months, that would be fantastic. So I'm looking forward to continuing.
I had 2 treatments done, and after the first treatment, I noticed a difference about 2 weeks later. It just felt really, really smooth. And I had the second treatment done maybe 6 or 7 weeks after that. And I don't know, I didn't really need the second treatment, I thought, because my legs were still smooth. I only shaved maybe once or twice in between treatments because I didn't have to. And now it's like I have to look down to actually see if I need to shave because I can't feel it. I think the treatments made a lot of difference now that I think about it. Well, first you feel sexier because you don't, when you shave every day, you feel better after you shave because you're hairy. And then you just feel good, like fresh out of the shower. And you have that feeling every day because you don't have hair on your legs. And if you do, it's so thin you can't tell it's there.
Well, since I've had the treatments, I have noticed a huge difference. The hair comes in so much more finer. I mean, my hair was really coarse, and my husband would complain, if I didn't shave my legs for a couple of days and scratch him when we're cuddling at night. But he's definitely noticed a difference, and I think he could vouch for it, that it's made a big difference in how much hair has grown back and the way that it feels too. I definitely shave fewer times now, and one of the things that really impressed me about it was the time. I mean, I popped in there. It took between, I think, 20 and 30 minutes, and that was to do my legs and my underarms. It's just been amazing. I definitely want to have more treatments on different areas of my body. It didn't really hurt the way that I had heard that it might. You hear that it's kind of like a rubber band snapping, and it's kind of a hard sensation to imagine. But it really just felt kind of like a warm massage. It was pretty comfortable overall and really quick.
You too can save time getting ready every morning, have more confidence in your appearance, and not have to endure any discomfort. Talk to your doctor today about how to get started with a pain-free, hair-free treatment plan for yourself. Do you dream